Hello sellers! Today, we're diving into an exciting opportunity that can turbocharge your business growth. The Claims Protection Plan, or CPP. In this quick 2-minute guide, we'll explore what CPP is, how it can benefit you, and how it's different from the regular claims process. Let's start with the basics. What is CPP? The Claims Protection Plan is a program designed by Meesho to offer you an extra layer of protection against damaged, wrong, or missing products returned by customers. The difference between the usual claims process and CPP is a game changer. With regular claims, there's uncertainty and potential losses. But with CPP, you can enjoy 80% approval rate on genuine claims. Plus, you'll experience smooth selling and minimize those frustrating rejections. So, let's talk about benefits. With CPP, you get 1. 80% approval on genuine claims. That's a significant boost to your chances of successful claims. 2. All your genuine claims tickets, including those involving our 3PL partners, will be meticulously reviewed under this plan. 3. Imagine stress-free selling. CPP helps you streamline your operations by reducing rejected claims, letting you focus on growing your business. 4. And most importantly, minimize losses from those claims that didn't go your way in the past. But wait, you might wonder about the cost. Yes, there's a small participation fee. Fees will be charged for every eligible customer returned order. If you make genuine claims on these eligible returns, CPP guarantees an 80% approval rate. But it only applies to customer returned shipments. No returns, no fees. The exact fee varies based on factors like your transaction history and product prices. Now, let's talk about eligible claims. CPP covers damaged, wrong, or missing items returned by customers. Just remember, it's for customer returned orders, not RTO orders. Wondering if all claims will get fully reimbursed? With CPP, all genuine claims meeting the conditions will be approved. And while not every claim might be 100% reimbursed, you'll get the fair value based on the claimed quantity. Here's the deal. CPP is recommended but not mandatory. Opt out anytime if needed. And now, the practical part, how to pay and track your fees. Fees are automatically deducted from your payouts weekly. And yes, you'll get an invoice for fees in your monthly tax invoice Excel sheet. Easily track fees on your supplier panel and monthly payment reports. Curious about raising a claim? If a 3PL partner rejects your claim, it's automatically reviewed under CPP if you've opted in. And don't worry, your claims will be auto-reviewed if you're part of the program. That's a wrap on the Claims Protection Plan. It's not just a plan, it's your ticket to confidence and success. Opt for CPP and watch your growth skyrocket. Happy selling on Meesho. Approval of CPP and tickets is subject to the applicable terms and conditions set out below.